Good morning, everyone. This is Tammy Munson, your English 110 instructor. Due to the late start today at 10 o'clock at Mitchell Tech, we've had a change in plans. That's why the syllabus says that things can be amended. The Powerline instructors came in and visited with me this morning. They had a guest speaker who was supposed to speak this morning at like 9 a.m. and due to the late start, that was pushed back. So, we're going to go ahead and not have class today since we were going to only meet for 45 minutes anyway. It'll take out all of the power line and both of the WIN students, and so there's only a couple of students left. If anybody needs help with anything, I will be available in 173 until 11 a.m. if you want to come and get some help with something. But I just wanted to quickly go over with you the things that you need to have done for class now on Tuesday. And they're not difficult things, they just might take you a little time to do. So first of all, if you look in my MTI under your coursework, you have the elevator speech that's due. I pushed that back until Tuesday since we're not meeting for class today. So that gives you an extension. Remember, this document is located if you go to your assignment link. It'll say elevator speech and it will take you out and you can pull up the document so that you can go ahead and take a look at that if you want. And it's popping up on a different screen for me right now. So it's this document right here. So if you missed class the other day and aren't sure, here is the example that we're using for the 30-second elevator speech. You have to answer these 5 questions, and then you're going to go ahead and you can use this to start writing that 30-second commercial. But make sure that you time this once you're done so that it is the 30 seconds. So again, if you have any questions on that, let me know. If I go ahead and go back to my assignment list, I'm going to see also, there are a few of you, about 6 of you I think, that did not complete the email to the boss. Please go back and look at the instructions for that. I'm still accepting late work. Some points is better than no points. The next thing that I need to have you do is there's an assignment called Personal Inventory Questions. It's listed under week 4. So if you click on that and open that up, it's going to tell you that you need to answer each question in at least 2 sentences. Use complete sentences because they will help prepare you for your interview. So if we go ahead and pull that up, all you have to do, this is a Word document, all you have to do is put your insertion point under number 1 and type in there to be able to answer the questions, or you can go to the end and press enter and then answer your questions. So that's entirely up to you how you want to do that. And if it goes onto a different page, I don't care. Just take off the auto numbering. So then you can answer those questions. And there are 10 of them. So again, it is fine if it goes onto a second page. But please answer those for class on Tuesday. The final thing, if we go back to your coursework, is there's something called the GAPS effective paragraphs. And so there's a little video in here on how to write a paragraph. We took a look at that together in class. So it shouldn't be something that's surprising. What you have to do is answer each one of these questions. So if I click on this GAPS link to open it, what it does is it's going to look like it's a little quiz, but it's like a worksheet. There's no time limit on it, but you can only do it one time. So make sure that when you sit down to do it, you have, a good half hour maybe to work through it. So when you click on that link, it's going to take you out and it's going to look like a worksheet. So it says divide the following text into separate paragraphs. Remember that each paragraph should develop a particular theme. You can use copy, paste. There are 6 paragraphs. So you get 1 point for making sure that you use the right paragraph. So you're going to select your text, whatever it needs to be, wherever you think the paragraphs are, and I have no idea. You can do your Control C to copy, and then you can come down here and do your Control V to paste. So you're separating out the paragraphs. So hopefully that makes sense. Then you're going to go ahead and go on to number 2. And when you get to number 2, you're going to have a totally different paragraph to work with. So you're going to have to order these in the correct order. So make sure, again, you can use copy paste to be able to go through and do that. And when you're done with all 3 of these, then you can just go ahead like any worksheet or test and you can click submit. So those are the 3 things that I would like you to have done for class on Tuesday. If you guys have any questions, by all means, please go ahead and let me know. Thanks. Have a great day, you guys.